Step 1, cleanse with the Pearl Cleanser. In an upwards motion, all around the face and the neck. Rinse off and then apply the Derma roller. All right, step 2 is once you rinse off the cleanser, start to get in and do little tiny X's and plus signs all over target areas of your face. Cheek, neckline, T-zone to release some of that congestion, forehead, and then lightly under the under eye area. It's gonna, with this right here, they're little titanium micro needles that create little micro tears that signal to your body to create just a thicker collagen layer, but also it allows for an optimal absorption entryway for the ingredients that you put on after, from the clay mask, gold serum, whatever it is. This is definitely a game changer. All right, step 3. In an upwards motion, take your already mixed clay mask and then apply upwards to get the blood flowing upwards. And then I focus right around, I get really up close near the under eye area and the T-zone, just to release a lot of that congestion, get a lot of those stagnant capillaries underneath the eye moving. So I think that really can counteract a lot of the puffiness, the under eye bags, and the dark circles specifically. I mix my mask a little bit with chlorophyll, those drops, sweet orange oil, clary sage, blue tansy, lemongrass, sea buckthorn oil. I mean, you could do whatever, any of your favorite essential oils, but I really strongly recommend those I just listed. And then you just put it on and let it dry. All right, final step. I rinsed off the clay mask, as you can see, and then the big thing here, man, is I don't know if I included a razor. I'm not sure, but either way, I love to shave. I think you have a little facial hair, I'm not sure. But either way, this right here just wipes the hair right off, right? And so what you do is after I finish shaving, I mean, the clarity of the skin is just, that's the thing with these safety razors. It just wipes the hair right off. And so the hair was lifted after the mask. And so this is like, also your skin's exfoliated, so the little follicles just get wiped right off, because I use a fresh blade each time with this razor when I shave. But yeah, as you can see, this is step 4 technically. Rinse off the clay mask and then shave, and then I'll give you the after once I finish this. Hey man, and there you are, just all clean, fresh, a little brightened. You're gonna see a little bit of redness as you and Skylar experience, but that's all that blood flow. That's that circulation to the surface of the skin that I crave and that I want. A lot of those stagnant capillaries just sit there, and the circulation and blood flow to the surface of the skin, I think, leads to that puffiness and like just a dull appearance. And so, yeah, I mean, hopefully you guys feel the same way as far as just wanting that brightened, fresh complexion, and the Derma roller, and then the clay mask, gold serum. That's my go-to. But let me know if you need anything else. I'm just glad that you guys reached out, and hope you're well, man.